Hey guys, how you doing? In today's video, I'm going to compare two best software. First is called ActiveCampaign and second is called GoHighLevel. Both of these softwares are very good. These softwares are used to sell email marketing campaigns. So let's start. When you go into the ActiveCampaign website, it says drive growth with customer experience automation. ActiveCampaign gives you the email marketing automation, and CRM tools you need to create an incredible customer experiences. So basically this is the email marketing platform. You can even send text marketing campaigns, and it also has CRM platform. So they say that this is the number one automation platform. You can use ActiveCampaign for e-commerce, for B2B companies or B2C companies, or you can use it for your own company. It has lot of features such as email segmentation. You can create subscription forms and you can create pages. It has also messaging and text, SMS, marketing automation, event tracking. You can create Facebook custom audiences and so on. Facebook customer audiences is very good option because you can target your customers according to the email they have provided to you, and you can run Facebook ads and you can sell them your services. You can create subscription form and integrate into your website, and you can directly collect emails from there. So they also provide one-on-one training if you want that, and if you are using another software and you want to migrate into ActiveCampaign, then they are providing free migration. So basically this is a very good software, and email marketing is very essential in today's business. If you are not doing email marketing, then you are losing a lot of money. So they provide 14 days free trial. You can use for free for 14 days, and if you want to continue using it, then you can pay them, or otherwise you can cancel your account. So they have also lots of training videos, you can watch them. They have lots of articles, you can watch them and know how this ActiveCampaign works. So they says that they have 150k businesses. 150, they are using this ActiveCampaign. So let us go into the pricing section and see what this ActiveCampaign is going to cost you. So they have four pricing options. First is called light, second is called plan, third is professional, and fourth is enterprise. So all these plans are for 500 contacts. So let us see the monthly plan. So if you have 500 contacts, then you have to pay $15 for light plan. Going for plus plan, then you have to pay $17 per month, and for professional plan you have to pay $159 per month, and for enterprise plan you have to pay $279 per month. So this plan, the price of this plan is going to increase according to the contacts you have. Suppose you have 1000 contacts, then you have to pay $29 for light plan, for plus 70, for professional 159, and enterprise 279. Like that, the pricing of this plan will going to increase according to the contact you have. So for 2500 contacts, your light plan will going to cost you $55 per month, and for 5000 contacts it will going to cost you $99 per month, and for 10,000 contacts it is going to cost you $155 per month. So basically your plan will increase according to your contacts. So other features they are providing, such as marketing automation, email marketing. You can send unlimited emails. It also has drag and drop email builder. You will get 125 email templates. You can send newsletters. You can create subscriptions form. You can do segmentation. Segmentation is a very good option because you can segment which email should be sent to which customer. They even have site and event tracking, and they have campaign and automation reporting. You can import lots of leads at once. They have import lead option. You can create sales emails. You can create lead capture forms, and you can also do segmented outreach. So this is the very good software if you want to do email marketing. So let us go to the Go High Level and see what features it provides. So in Go High Level, you can send unlimited number of emails. You don't have to worry about the contact number of contacts. Suppose you have 1000 contact or 10,000 contact, it will going to cost you same amount of money per month. Go High Level is going to cost you $97 per month, and you can send unlimited emails from Go High Level. So this is the Go High Level dashboard. When you log in into the Go High Level dashboard, go to the marketing section and go to the emails, and here you can create unlimited number of email templates and you can send unlimited emails. So you don't have to worry about the prices. It has only one price of $97, which is more than enough. So they are providing the templates. You can create email templates for update. You can send an email to your customer to welcome them to your product, or you can create a simple email template, or you can create a promotional email template, or you can start from scratch by creating a blank email template. So let's create a simple email template. So this is the editing section of email template. Here you can edit your email and save it for later use. So in email setting you can put some details such as from name email, from address. You have to give subject line. You have to preview text, and you can give internal email name. So this is the email template. So here you can edit anything. You can add text, you can add images, you can add button, you can add divider, you can add social buttons, you can add footer, you can add code, and you can add videos. So let us add one text. It is also a email template which supports drag and drop option. So you don't have to worry about it. It is very easy to use. So just drag and drop here and you can use it. So if you want to edit this, then you can edit this. are you. You can make it bold and so on. You can add images, and the best feature I like about GoHireable is that you can add a video in your email. So this is the video option. You can add your video here, and you can add the video from YouTube, Vimeo, Wistia and HTML5. So this is the video option no other email marketing platform is providing. It is only provided by GoHighLevel. So basically you can add the URL of your YouTube video and it will be displayed here, and when your customer will click on this video, then they will be redirected to the YouTube video. So this is the very good option. So and you can save it. You can even send test email. You can add from address, you can add to address, and you can add email subject, and you can test it. So this is the very good option, and I highly recommend GoHighLevel because it is better than ActiveCampaign, and it also provides lot of other features which ActiveCampaign does not provide. So if you are looking for a better option, then GoHighLevel is the good option for you, because for $97 you get unlimited number of emails, and you can send unlimited number of SMS, and you can do segmentation, and you can also integrate subscription form into your website, and you can also import leads, unlimited number of leads. You can directly import leads from Facebook ads and Google ads. So GoHighLevel is better option than ActiveCampaign. If you want to choose which is a good, then I highly recommend GoHighLevel, and it has only one pricing of $97 per month, while in ActiveCampaign you have to pay according to the contacts you have. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, and if you want 14 days free trial of GoHighLevel, then you can click link in the description and you can sign up from there. So thank you for watching this video and have a great day.